Hello, my name is Richard Kane, and this is a presentation on proximity operators in online searching. So what are proximity operators? Proximity operators are characters that, when entered into a search engine, narrow the retrieved results down to those in which certain keywords or phrases are separated by the designated number of words. Online searches often involve two or more disparate concepts. By default, a search engine will try to retrieve pages that have both of those concepts, but not necessarily near each other. By adding proximity operators, we can ensure that our searches only return results in which the words or phrases identified are whatever distance apart we desire. These can be used for a number of different purposes, from precision searching for an exact title or phrase you're looking for in a text, to narrowing a search down to results in which concepts are discussed in tandem rather than apart, to just retrieving a more reasonable number of search results. Probably the most commonly used of these operators are the quotation marks. A search string within quotation marks will yield results that include the sequence of words in the string in the specific order in which you type them. For example, the search "Children of Men" is more likely to return results related to the novel and film of the same title, whereas a search that's just "Children of Men" without the quotes will retrieve articles with both of those terms. But there are other examples of common proximity operators. For example, near or n followed by a number will typically retrieve results in which these words or phrases are within this number of characters from each other. Similarly, pre or p specifies that the word or phrase before the operator appears the specified number of characters before the term after the operator in the text. Conversely, not near or not pre retrieves results in which a certain word is never located within the designated number of words to the other term. However, it's important to note that not all search engines use the same proximity operators. For instance, in certain search engines, the key W is used to represent words that are within a certain number of each other instead of the term N for near. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the characters the engine recognizes as proximity operators before you conduct your search. I would like to conclude by sharing some search results that illustrate how profoundly proximity operators can change outcomes. So here we have a standard search for two concepts, diabetes and hereditary, without proximity operators. Now, as you can see from these screenshots, this yields nearly 60,000 results, many of which are about diabetes and some other unrelated hereditary condition rather than the prospect of inheriting diabetes. So now let's try that search again, this time with a proximity operator of n/5. So now you can see, first of all, that we have tens of thousands fewer results, but also that the very first one is directly related to diabetes as a hereditary condition. So this illustrates how much a very simple proximity operator can really refine and pare down a complicated search. So I hope this brief presentation has been helpful and informative for you. Thanks for watching.